Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to recover your deleted ESIM on Jio website. So if you deleted your Jio ESIM by mistake or by any reason and you want to recover it, so this will be something a little bit hard because it's actually a virtual SIM, not a real SIM card. So the only method that you can do that is by connecting to Jio support. So you need to click on support button as see from here, and you need to scroll down and you need to tell them that you lost your SIM. You need to click on here, and from here you need to provide them the SIM number or the geo number for the ESIM card. Also, alternatively, you can just call this number and they can help you by contacting the geo support. So you need to tell them how you lost your SIM and how you deleted it, and they will help you to recover your eSIM. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.